If you give dimension, if you give expression, means for all dimension values, it is displaying values. For example, see, in this list box, we have values from 2004 to 2011. But I don't want all those. I want to limit these values. For example, I want to display only 2009, 10, 11 only. In this bar chart, we have values from 2004 to 2011. Instead of displaying all this, I want to display only some 2008 to 2010. Like that. How to limit number of values means in list box process will be different and in charts process will be different. Right click, properties, then under field, see, under field, last one expression. Just click on this expression. Here we need to give that expression. First match function. Match is similar to in function in SQL. Match of first field name, year, comma, which values you want to 2009, comma, 2010, comma, 2011. If year matches with these three values, then only I want to display year. So if condition. If year matches with these three values, then only I want to display year. See, displaying these three values 2009, 2010, 2011. Then see. Same way, how can we limit number of values in charts? That may be bar chart, that may be line chart, tables, whatever it may be. How can we limit number of values in charts? So, click on edit, match of year, comma, if year matches with the value, I want to display year. We give label as year. Okay. To avoid this empty box, we need to, while discussing bar chart, discuss that to avoid any empty box, we need to enable suppress when value is null. Select suppress when value is null. 2009, 10, 11, this way. And at the same time, we can use this one in expression tab also. Here. Match of if it matches with those three values, so this way you can limit number of values 2009, 2010, 2011. Person here, right click, properties, go to sort tab, here select expression. Here we need to give that condition, match function. Match of field name, comma, order. First I want to display 2011, then 2009, then 2010. Click on apply, save. 2011, 2009, 2010. Same here also. Same expression. Here we can give either in dimensions, either sort tab. Expression match of comma first underscore 2011, then 2009, 2010. Custom sorting. This way you can perform custom sorting 2011, 2009, 2010.